Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're suffering from a cold and you'd like to find out what the best tea is to help with that decongestion, I'm going to show you 3 easy to prepare homemade teas that are healing, healthy, and super delicious. A few tips and tricks from a tea blender. Let's get started. So the very first tea blend we're going to do is a lemon and ginger tea, but it's going to be slightly different because I'm going to teach you some tea blending tips that will elevate its flavor and be a lemon and ginger tea you'll love forever. So the first thing we're going to do is cut 2 slices of lemon for a 300 ml teapot, and you want to make sure that there is some kind of a strainer within your teapot so that you're not messing around with loads of equipment, because when you're not feeling well, the last thing you want to do is have a lot of equipment to wash and prepare your tea with. So very simply, put 2 slices of lemon with the rind into the teapot like this. The reason why we add the rind is because the rind releases a lot of beautiful lemon aromas, which is going to help make the tea smell amazing. Lemon is very good in a tea because it has loads of vitamin C, which is going to support your immune system. The next thing we're going to do is add a knob of ginger, and we're going to take the skin off and then cut it into slices like this, give it a little bash and put it in the basket as well. Now, ginger is a very good anti-inflammatory, and it also gives it a nice gentle fiery aroma to the brew, which is going to complement the citrus notes of the lemon. And one more thing that we're going to add is lemongrass. Now, lemongrass has a citrus, minty, a bit gingery in flavor as well, but it has wonderful oils known as citral, which is a natural plant compound with anti-inflammatory effects as well. And lemongrass has been known to be an antibacterial and antifungal, and is traditionally used as a pain reliever and a fever reducer as well. And it has a wonderful aroma, so we're just going to add a few slices of 1 stick of lemongrass into the blend. Okay. Then add boiling water and leave it for 10 minutes or more to infuse before sipping it. Now, you can just keep adding water during the day and keep sipping this tea throughout the day to help you feel better. The next tea I'm going to teach you to blend is the most beautiful mint tea you'll ever taste. And it's super simple. Again, 3 ingredients we're going to use: peppermint, cacao nibs, and eucalyptus oil. So when you're suffering from a cold with bad sinus congestion and a bit of muscle ache, this is the one you're going to be wanting to blend. As we know, peppermint oil, it has a lot of wonderful properties. It has menthol, it can help relax your muscles. Cacao nibs are great not only from a flavor perspective, but it has bags of antioxidants for cell repair. And eucalyptus oil, a few drops of this will be great for that sinus congestion you might be experiencing, so it's going to help clear up any blockage you might have. So here's how we do it. First, we're going to be stripping the leaves of 2 sprigs of mint. We're going to put this in the pot like that. Make sure you wash your leaves beforehand, and a heaped teaspoon of cacao nibs. Cacao nibs, from a flavor perspective, and this is the secret, it adds a wonderful creamy texture, but it also gives nutty, rich flavors of dark chocolate, which, as we know, complements mints so well. It's going to make this tea really, really creamy and lovely and beautiful to drink even when you don't have a cold. But a few drops then of eucalyptus oil, and make sure you use eucalyptus oil from a good brand. This one is from NH Oils. It's organic essential oils that are food grade, and this is very important that it's food grade as well. So go ahead and put a couple of drops into this, and again, we're gonna put boiling water onto the leaves. Leave it for 10 minutes or more to steep nicely, and then pour it into a cup, sip it, and enjoy it. And now when you see you inhale those aromas, again, it's so nice and intense that it helps penetrate through the blockage that you might have. So the third tea I'm going to teach you to blend is a floral and spicy one. And the 3 ingredients we're going to use is whole chamomile flowers, turmeric powder, and some black pepper. Now, chamomile is really good to help your body relax, especially if you have a lot of sleepless nights when you're suffering from a cold. This one is going to be really good for you. Chamomile has a substance called apigenin, which helps relaxes the body, and it's been used for centuries in many different cultures. Turmeric has curcumin, which is an anti-inflammatory, and to make sure that your body absorbs this curcumin really well, we're gonna add a hint of black pepper. Black pepper can increase the bioavailability for your body to absorb the curcumin by about 2000%. So it's essential every time you consume turmeric for anti-inflammatory needs. Make sure you have it with black pepper as well. But the combination for a tea is going to be beautiful. And here's how we do it. First, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of chamomile flowers, and then add a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper. So you want to go ahead and just use your hands like this, as if you're seasoning a dish. So take a pinch of black pepper, put it in the basket like this, pour hot water, and again wait for 10 minutes or more for all the flavors to infuse properly. And what it's gonna do is it's going to give you a really calming tea that can help your muscles relax and help with your congestion as well. And here we are, the 3 teas, the lightest one being the lemongrass, ginger, and lemon, which is really citrus and naturally sweet. Delicious. And then we have creamy, minty, and slightly chocolatey with a nice aroma which will help your sinuses. This is the eucalyptus oil, peppermint, and cacao nibs. Absolutely delicious. And last but not least, the chamomile turmeric with a hint of black pepper, our floral and spicy one. Very healing. I hope you enjoyed this video and that these teas helped you or someone you love feel better. In the meantime, please do let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel for more information on tea and discover what else you could be sipping to help you feel that bit better every day. Till then, take care and see you soon.